Turn your Nikon D5600 into a powerful live streaming studio for your iPad and conquer YouTube with crystal clear video. First, let's identify the essential connection. On your Nikon D5600, the mini HDMI output port, you'll find it on the side of your camera, usually under a protective cover. To bridge the gap between your camera and iPad, you'll need a mini HDMI to HDMI cable. Then, depending on your iPad's port, you'll need an adapter. For newer iPads with USB-C, an HDMI to USB-C adapter will work. If you have an older iPad with a Lightning port, you'll need an Apple Lightning Digital AV adapter or a similar USB-C to Lightning adapter, and then an HDMI to USB-C adapter. Connect the mini HDMI end of your cable securely into your Nikon D5600's HDMI output port. Now, connect the standard HDMI end of the cable into your chosen HDMI adapter. Plug this adapter into your iPad's charging or data port. If your iPad has limited ports, you might need a USB-C hub that includes an HDMI input and a charging port, so you can power the iPad simultaneously. You should see a notification on your iPad indicating that an external display or input is connected. This confirms the physical connection is established. Now, let's configure your Nikon D5600 power on your camera. Navigate to the camera setup menu. Look for the HDMI settings. It's usually under the setup menu or HDMI tab. Ensure your HDMI output is enabled for live streaming. You'll want to turn off the HDMI info display, which removes overlay information like settings from the feed. Set your HDMI frame rate to match your desired streaming quality, typically 30 frames per second or 24 frames per second. On your iPad, you'll need a compatible streaming app. Apps like OBS Camera, StreamYard, or even video editing apps like LumaFusion that support external camera input are excellent choices. Open your chosen app and select the HDMI input as your camera source. You should now see the live view from your Nikon D5600 appearing on your iPad. Before going live, it's a good idea to test your audio levels and video quality within the app. Finally, open your YouTube Studio app or go to YouTube Studio in your iPad's browser. Set up your stream title and description, and hit that Go Live button. You're now broadcasting high-quality video from your Nikon D5600 directly through your iPad to your YouTube audience.